Hi everyone, I have a new light that I bought this week. So it's Lumary Smart Disc Light. I'm gonna talk about it and show you what we have inside the box and how to set up to control it. So as you can see, it has estimated energy cost, which is for 1 year $1.56 per year. It's very great. As you can see, has application timing. It is synchronized with music, has timer, and also it has 60 million colors, and you can control from your smartphone application, and also has Google and Alexa voice control. So let's see what we have inside the box, and then we are gonna set up our disc light. My smart disc light comes with disc light. As you can see, it is 7.5 inch, and you can set up with an electrician as well. Also comes with those things inside the box, which these are for recess cant, and also for a J-box. If you set up for recess cant or J-box, it depends on it. And also it comes with a start guide, so you can check your start guide and see how you can set up your disc light. And I'm going to show you how to set up it. So let's see. We need the cable to attach our disc light to the electricity, which I have a cable here. As you can see, it has same colors, so I'm going to attach them with those things. And also after that, we need to download Lumary Smart application to our phone. So to set up our disc light on the application through the Wi-Fi, and also you need to know your Wi-Fi password and username. So let's go on. So I merged the cables, and now I'm gonna download the application. As you can see, it's just over here, so we're gonna download it, and after that we will sign up for it and then set up our lights. So you're gonna be at the home page, so we are gonna add our device over here. At first time we should turn it on the light, so it's gonna blink. So let's start. You can see it's now blinking after a couple of seconds. So I'm gonna add the device over here, so we can just cancel this one. So I'm gonna turn it on the Bluetooth. As you can see, now it's searching for the device. It's gonna find this device, find our device. So I'm gonna just press the add button, so you can see it finds the Lumary Smart Disc. So I'm gonna push the plus and put my password. I'm gonna go to next step. As you can see, the blinking is gone, so it's adding the Lumary Smart Disc Light to my application. After all that, I'm gonna control the light from my application. So we're gonna just wait a couple of seconds, then after that it's gonna be done. It's all done, and you can control from here. You can turn it off and turn it on from your application. And when you push Lumary Smart Disc Light, you can see the colors over here. So I'm going to choose a warm light, or over here, or a brighter light. So from these sections you can go to dimmer and change something over here. And when you go to scene section, you can choose anything you want. From the red section, it's way brighter, or if you want to have a soft one, like you can see, you can change it, or from the night light. And also you can control it with your device, as you can turn it on and music and it changed the color over there. And from the setting line you can schedule for turn it on or turn it off your lights, and you can do from timer as well. It's easy to control your lights from your application, so you can just choose your color for your mode. If you want to have different colors, which has 16 million color choices, you can choose whatever you want. And also you can just turn it off your lights from here as well. And when we go to home page, so from the Me section, we can control our device from the Google Assistant, which I'm gonna relog into my Google Assistant page and agree and link it. So it's going to control from the Google Assistant, so we are going to check it. As you can see, it's just over here. So either you can turn it off or turn it on your lights over here, or from the this section. Now I'm gonna tell to turn it off the light. Yeah, you can see you can turn it off, or you can control here to turn it on as well, and you can choose colors here as well. Yes, you can see it's very easy to set up these lights, and you can just control from your application. So if you need to know anything else, you can just let me know, and thank you for watching.